a guide to becoming a blockchain developer. This technology allows for secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions, making it a crucial component of the digital world. Steps to becoming a blockchain developer. Learn the fundamentals of blockchain. Familiarize yourself with concepts such as cryptography, consensus algorithms, smart contracts, and decentralized applications. Develop programming skills. Blockchain development requires proficiency in programming languages such as Solidity, C++, Python, and Java. These languages are commonly used to create blockchain applications and smart contracts. Gain hands-on experience. Participate in blockchain projects, contribute to open-source initiatives, and work on real-world applications to strengthen your understanding of blockchain technology. Stay updated on industry trends. The field of blockchain development is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging regularly. Stay updated on the latest developments in blockchain technology by attending workshops, events, and networking with industry professionals. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a blockchain developer requires dedication, continuous learning, and a passion for technology,